everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a Christmas light stitch. And you can find the written instructions for this project and more on my website, tiffanybliss.com. For this project, you'll need 5 colors of yarn. Today I'm using white for my main color, red, yellow, and green for the Christmas lights, and black for the cord. I'm using a size H8 or 5mm crochet hook, and you'll need a yarn needle and scissors. This pattern can be made to be as long as you want. Just make sure to make your initial chain in a multiple of 3 plus 4. I'm just making a small sample for this video, so I'm going to make a chain of 16, which is 12 plus 4. Once you've made your chain, you're going to half double crochet into the second stitch. We don't count the loop on the hook, so we'll count backwards 1, 2, and work our first half double crochet into that chain. Then we'll just continue making a half double crochet in every chain down the row. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Now for this row, in your first stitch, work your first half double crochet. Then continue working a half double crochet in every stitch down the row. When you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Now we get to start making our row of Christmas lights. Work a half double crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then we're going to loop in our first Christmas light color. I'm using red. Now we're going to work a double crochet 5 together into the next stitch. If you've never worked this stitch before, it's kind of like making 5 double crochets, but only halfway. And in the end, you swoop around and complete all 5 together. Let me show you what I mean. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1. We'll do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through 2. Do it again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through 2. That was 3. There should be 4 loops on your hook at this point. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2. That was the 4th one, so there should be 5 loops on your hook. One last time, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through 2. So that was your 5th one. There should be 6 loops on your hook. Now we're going to yarn over one more time and complete this stitch in one swoosh. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. And then we're going to chain 1. There you have it. That was a double crochet 5 together stitch. And it's also your first Christmas light. This can get pretty messy as you go, so it's helpful to cut and tie your yarn along the way. I usually save working the yarn into my work for later, but you can do it as you go too. Now we'll loop in our main color yarn, which in my case is white. Now with our white yarn, we'll work a half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then we'll work in our next color. I'm using yellow. I tied and cut my yarn, then I worked a double crochet 5 together into the next stitch with the yellow. Continue the pattern down the row of 2 half double crochets and 1 double crochet 5 together until you reach the end of the row. Once you reach the end, you'll chain 2 and turn your work. Then you'll make a half double crochet and 2 stitches before each light and 1 stitch on top of each light until you reach the end. When you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Then continue making half double crochets in every stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn for this sample. And at this point, you should go tidy up the back strings. I tied everything securely, then cut the excess yarn because this is just a sample, but you really should weave the ends into your work if you're making this for a real project. Now we have a row of lights. To make the cord, I used black yarn to backstitch a line across the top. Make sure to make your cord wavy by dipping a bit at each light and then back up again. Next, we'll use the black yarn to stitch a rectangle on top of each bowl. This will make the light socket. And that's it! This pattern is simple, but because of all the color changes and stitching over the top, it looks kind of complex. It can get a little fiddly, but it looks so cute when it's finished. This would make a great border on a hat or sweater, or even on a blanket. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.